Hello viewers, welcome to Math Tech. I am Amit Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve questions of abstract algebra from GATE 2019 Mathematics. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 1. Let omega be a primitive complex cube root of unity and iota is square root of -1. Then the degree of the field extension q iota comma root 3 comma omega over q is where q is field of rational numbers. To find the solution, first we need to know the following result. The degree of extension over the field is equal to degree of irreducible polynomial over that field. The value of omega is -1 plus root 3 iota by 2, which can be generated by iota comma root 3, which implies the degree of extension of q iota comma root 3 comma omega over q is equal to degree of extension of q iota comma root 3 over q. Now, degree of extension of q iota comma root 3 over q is equal to degree of extension of q iota over q times degree of extension of q root 3 over q. Let us take f of x equal to x square plus 1, which has root iota, which is irreducible polynomial of degree 2 over q, implies the degree of extension of q iota over q is equal to 2. Again, let us take function gx, which is equal to x square minus 3, which has root square root of 3, which is irreducible polynomial of degree 2 over q, implies degree of extension of q root 3 over q is equal to 2, which implies the degree of extension of q iota comma root 3 over q is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Hence, degree of extension of q iota comma root 3 comma omega over q is equal to 4. Question number 2. Consider the following statement. Statement number 1. If q denotes the additive group of rational numbers and f is a function from q to q is a non-trivial homomorphism, then f is an isomorphism. Statement number 2. Any quotient group of a cyclic group is cyclic. Statement number 3. If every subgroup of a group G is a normal subgroup, then G is abelian. Statement number 4. Every group of order 33 is cyclic. Which of the above statements are true? Option A 2 and 4. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 1, 2 and 4 only. Option D 1, 3 and 4 only. The following results are essential to learn in order to solve the question. Result number 1. A mapping T from G to G dash is called isomorphism if T is homomorphism, T is 1, 1, T is on 2. Result number 2. A homomorphism T from G to G dash is said to be 1, 1 homomorphism if and only if KER of T is equal to 0, where KER is known as kernel of T. Result number 3. If order of G equal to PQ, P less than Q, and P does not divide Q minus 1, then there exists a unique group of order PQ up to isomorphism, that is G is isomorphic to ZPQ. As we know that idempotent elements of Q are 0 and 1 implies f of x equal to 0 and f of x equal to x are homomorphism from Q to Q, but it is given that f is non-trivial homomorphism. So we have to take a homomorphism f of x equal to x. Now kernel of f is 0 only, implies f is 1 1. Also f of x equal to x is onto, hence statement 1 is true. Also we know that quotient group of a cyclic group is cyclic, implies statement 2 is true. All the subgroup of quaternion group Q8 are normal, but Q8 is non-abelian. Hence statement 3 is false. It is given that order of G is 33, which can be written as 3 times 11, and 3 does not divide 11 minus 1, implies G is isomorphic to Z33. We know that Z33 is cyclic, implies G is cyclic. Hence, statement 4 is true. The statement 1, 2 and 4 are true. Therefore, option C is true. Question number 3. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The ring Z square root of minus 1 is a unique factorization domain. Statement 2. The ring Z square root of minus 5 is a principal ideal domain. Statement 3. In the polynomial ring Z2x, the ideal generated by x cube plus x plus 1 is a maximal ideal. Statement 4. In the polynomial ring Z3x, the ideal generated by x6 plus 1 is a prime ideal, where Z denotes the set of all integers, Zn denotes the set of all integer modulo n for any positive integer n. Which of the above statements are true? Option A 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B 1 and 3 only. Option C 1, 2 and 4 only. Option D 2 and 3 only. To solve the question, we have to learn the following results. Result number 1. If the value of D is 1 or 2, then Z square root of minus D is Euclidean domain, that is ED. If D is greater than 2, then Z square root of minus D is not a unique factorization domain, that is UFD. Result number 2. Field implies Euclidean domain, implies principal ideal domain, implies unique factorization domain, implies integral domain. Not an integral domain implies not a unique factorization domain, implies not a principal ideal domain, implies not Euclidean domain, implies not a field. Result number 3. If f is a field and f of x belongs to f of x is irreducible polynomial over f, then ideal generated by f of x is a maximal ideal in fx. Result number 4. Let R is a commutative ring, an ideal P not equal to R is said to be a prime ideal of R if A belongs to R, B belongs to R, such that AB belongs to P, then either A belongs to P or B belongs to P. Z square root of minus 1 is a unique factorization domain because D is equal to 1. Hence, statement 1 is true. Z square root of minus 5 is not a unique factorization domain because D is greater than 2, implies not a principal ideal domain. Hence, statement 2 is false. We know that Z2 is a field and the polynomial f of x equal to x to the power 3 plus x plus 1 is irreducible over Z2 because f of 0 is not equal to 0 and f of 1 is not equal to 0, implies ideal generated by f of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1 is a maximal ideal. Hence, statement 3 is true. The function gx is equal to x to the power 6 plus 1, which can be written as x to the power 6 plus 1 plus 3x to the power 4 plus 3x square. These two terms are 0 over Z3, which can be written as x square plus 1 whole cube. But x square plus 1 does not belongs to x to the power 6 plus 1, implies ideal generated by gx equal to x to the power 6 plus 1 is not a prime ideal. Hence, statement 4 is false. The statement 1 and 3 are true. Therefore, option B is true. Question number 4. The number of elements of order 15 in the additive group Z60 cross Z50 is, where Zn denotes the group of integer modulo n under the operation of addition modulo n for any positive integer n. To solve the question, the following results are very essential to learn. Result number 1. If d is greater than 0 and d divides n, then the number of element of order d in Zn is equal to phi d, where phi is known as Euler's phi function. Result number 2. If x is ordered pair of a comma b belongs to G1 cross G2, then order of x is LCM of order of a comma order of b. Result number 3. The number of elements of order d in Zm cross Zn is equal to summation of phi of d1 into phi of d2, where d1 divides m and d2 divides n, and LCM of d1 comma d2 is d. The number of elements of order 15 in Z60 cross Z50 are calculated in the following table. Column 1 represents the pair of element d1 d2 whose LCM is 15, where first element d1 divides 60 and second element d2 divides 50, and second column represents the number of element. The pair 3 comma 5 has LCM 15 and the number of element is 5 3 times 5 5, which is equal to 8. The pair 15 comma 1 is also have LCM 15. The number of element is 515 times 5 of 1, which is equal to 8. The pair 15 comma 5 is have also LCM 15 and the number of element is 515 times 5 5, which is equal to 32. Therefore, total number of elements of order 15 in Z60 cross Z50 is equal to 8 plus 8 plus 32, which is equal to 48. Question number 5. Let Z125 be the ring of integer modulo 125 under the operations of addition modulo 125 and multiplication modulo 125 if M is the number of maximal ideals of Z125 and n is the number of non-units of Z125, then M plus n is equal to. The following results are required to learn to solve the question. Result number 1. The number of maximal ideals in Zn equal to number of prime divisor of n. Result number 2. The unit elements of a group are those non-zero element of the group whose multiplicative inverse exists. Result number 3. The unit u of Zn is isomorphic to Zn star, which is isomorphic to u of n. Result number 4. Un contain those natural numbers such that 1 is less than equal to x less than n and GCD of x comma n is equal to 1. The number of maximal ideal of Z125 is equal to number of prime divisor of 125, which is 1, implies m is equal to 1. Also, u of z125 is isomorphic to u of 125. Now, order of u125 is 5 125, which is equal to 100. Hence, number of units of z125 is 100, implies number of non-unit of z125 is 125 minus 100 is 25, that is n is 25. Hence, m plus n is 1 plus 25 is 26. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, please do subscribe, like and share. If you have any further query, comment me. To get the solution in PDF format, check the description box. Thank you very much.